what are the best wireless hair trimmers? Well, luckily I have one in today, and I'm going to let you know. This is a Series 5000 from Philips, but let's do a quick look at what you get in it. Okay, don't need to open that. So let's see what exactly will we get for this. Okay, it's one of those funny tray ones. So we've had some other ones that we've used. Let's, okay, charger. Oh, it's a bag. Okay, you get a bag with it as well. Get into that. It's not a good quality bag, it's like a pencil case. It's a bit cheap, but it's alright. It should fit everything in there. Okay, so you get a bag. Let's get rid of that. No one needs that. No one needs that. It's got like a funny shape to it, so I'd be interested to show you. See that? So if you look at, let me give you a front view on this. So if you look at that, it's meant to be, oh, it feels really nice. It feels quality, and the seal's intact, which is great. Obviously it's brand new, so the seal should be intact. Push. Push. What? That made no sense at all. Okay. You obviously need charging. It's waterproof, so okay, it's got a funny charger. I thought it'd be a USB one, but it's not. Philips, so we can smash that in there. Okay, the good thing about this one is it comes with multiple trimmers. So if you're using it for haircuts, what you'll want to do is position it in a way that you can change that to haircuts. So it's 16 to 28 millimeters, and ooh, that's probably a stubble trimmer. I mean, it comes with a pair of scissors. That looks like a bit naff, doesn't it? It's like school scissors for kids, and it's got a nice fancy comb. It's more or less a full-on kit then, isn't it? Small to large. So we get that in there, get that in there, and you get a little tiny little brush with it as well. Okay, so that's not too bad, to be honest. Let's have a quick look at the specs and see what it actually is gonna do for us. Unlock 1 year extra warranty. Blurb. The box is probably the best place to check this. Okay, so corded and cordless use up to 90 minutes, 28 length settings, 2 year warranty, 100% washable. Beard comb, short hair comb and long hair comb. So if you're going for like a fade, that would be a good option, and it is wireless. And stainless steel blades, includes barber kit, which is basically a scissors and a comb. Scissors weren't excellent. Zero maintenance, soft sharpening blades, dual cut technology, double sharpened blades for 2 times faster clipping. Let me play about with it, let me check it out. And
many styles, one tool. Philips all-in-one trimmer 7000 series. Innovation and you, Philips.